If you're wondering how to undo on Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to reverse a recent change inside a Mailchimp campaign, step by step. This is really helpful if you edited the wrong section, changed text you want to bring back, or made a design change and want to undo it before saving. If this tutorial helps, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more fast software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Mailchimp. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're in your account, look at the main dashboard and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, and it's the place you need to go if you want to find a draft or campaign you want to fix. Next, find the email you want to undo changes on. When you see the correct campaign, click Edit next to that email. This opens the campaign settings so you can continue into the design editor. Make sure you choose the right campaign here, especially if you have several drafts or send emails listed. After that, click Edit Design. This takes you into the email editor where you can make layout changes, adjust text, and modify the content of your campaign. If you recently changed something and want to reverse it, this is the section where the undo option becomes useful. Now, look to the top right corner of the editor. You should see the undo back button there. Click that undo button to reverse your most recent action. This is the fastest way to step back from a change without having to rebuild the whole section manually. If the last change was not the one you wanted to undo, you can continue using undo carefully to move backward through recent edits. Once you've confirmed that the change has been reversed, take a moment to review the email design and make sure everything looks right. Check the text, layout, spacing, and any images or buttons you edited. It's always a good idea to verify the campaign before leaving the editor, because once you save, those changes will be stored in your draft. When you're happy with the result, click Save and Exit. This locks in your updated version of the campaign and takes you back to the campaign area in Mailchimp. If you're editing a draft, you can continue working later. If you're finalizing your content, this is the point where your changes are safely kept. And that's it. You now know how to undo on Mailchimp by opening your campaign, going into the design editor, using the undo button in the top right, and then saving and exiting once everything looks good. It's a simple process, but it can save you from a lot of mistakes when you're editing emails quickly. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.